At Rhythm, listening to customers isn't just a tagline, it's in our DNA. And what our customers told us was they were nickeled and dimed by their previous AMS providers every time they wanted to build a custom form. Then, it cost valuable time when they had to engage a developer to make minor changes or updates to that form. The only other option was to use rigid forms that didn't meet their needs or allow them to collect the right information, which seriously affected the member experience. So, what did we do? We integrated a custom form builder into the foundation of our platform that allows association staff to create or update forms themselves. We built in flexibility for staff to create custom field groups and design the order of their form, letting them collect tailored, valuable information about members. No extra cost, no need for a developer. So let's jump into the product. Custom forms exist in almost every Rhythm application. Today, we'll create a registration form in the membership app, but the form builder functions similarly within the other apps as well. Forms are managed under Setup within an app. Here, I can see all my existing forms. I can edit a form by clicking the green pencil icon on the right, or I can create a new one by clicking the Create Membership Application Form button at the top of the page. Let's create a new form. Here, I can choose to start with an empty form, or I can take advantage of an existing form and use it as a template. Let's say I wanted to design a new membership application form for my professional association. I'll start with a default membership application form for individuals. It will automatically populate the form with standard components and fields, and from here I can edit it as needed. I'll start by updating the form name to Professional Association Membership Application Form. Next, I can see the auto-populated flow of the form by viewing the different pages and using the drag and drop function to edit them if desired. Now let's look at the components on each page. Components are predefined features that ask for information or allow selections in the form. I can edit existing components to customize the experience or provide further detail. Since my association is organized by region, I'm going to change the header text in the chapter component to be a bit more accurate. Then, I'll delete the section component, since it doesn't really apply to my association. By clicking Add Component, I can choose from a list of different field options depending on the goal of my form. Rhythm will provide different default component options based on the app you're in and the type of form you're building. You can always add your own custom fields too. I'll start with one of our most popular component options, the field group, to ask about employment status. Since I'm creating a form for a professional association, this is important information. Field groups allow you to insert custom fields into a form, as well as group relevant fields together all in one place. I'll do this by clicking Add Component and selecting Field Group. Now, if an applicant is employed, I'll want to collect additional information about their work. However, if they aren't employed, they don't need to fill out those fields. So first, I'll create a new page titled Employment Information. Then I'll use the Field Group component to add some specific questions to this page. The system automatically makes some fields required, but I can change that by clicking on them and toggling the required button. Now I'll toggle back to the Select Package page and click on Transitions. Transitions control behaviors that happen when an applicant or registrant is navigating between two pages. You can enable or disable certain navigation and submission settings. Here's where I can also enable a conditional page transition rule, which is what will allow unemployed membership applicants to skip the employment information page we just created. I'll start by clicking Add Rule and naming it. I'll call it If Unemployed, Skip to Order Details. The target page is Order Details, and then we'll tell the system to skip the employment information page when the employment status field equals no. That way, I can give every applicant a tailored and intuitive experience. And finally, custom errors allow me to specify required fields on my form. In my case, I want to be sure members select a region, so I'll click Add Custom Error Rule and add the error name and a quick custom message that the user will see. Then I'll specify that this error should occur when the chapter component is blank. Using the Form Properties option, you can change the navigation bar's location and add hooks using JavaScript. You can also use custom CSS for more fine-tuned control of the front-end styling of your form. Now, our form is ready to go. When members log into the portal, they'll be able to use the form we've built and enjoy a seamless, tailored experience. That's the Custom Form Builder. Use it to build, edit, and manage all of your association's forms easily within Rhythm.